Smart glasses. Today, an average person shares on the internet almost everything that happens to him or her. With these glasses, that will become even easier. Its secret lies in a small camera hidden in the frame. It allows not only to record, but also to broadcast live everything that's happening before your eyes. These glasses are very convenient to use for exams, as no one will notice that they have a built-in camera, so you can easily show your friends the questions on the exam sheet. You can get feedback with a built-in headphone too. The price is about $180. Origami. While designing aircraft, engineers do everything possible to optimize the space inside and increase the capacity. Unfortunately, this leads to inconvenience for passengers. They have to sit too close together. You're probably familiar with these situations, which means that you know that only one person gets the armrest during a flight. Origami is a compact device that can solve this problem and put an end to the elbow wars. First of all, the device adds extra space for two people to lean on the armrest. Secondly, it divides this space so that the arms do not touch. Origami developers were inspired by the art of origami, so the device takes virtually no space when folded. The cost is $20. Focus buds. The only way to do your job or study really well is to remain focused and try not to get distracted. However, it is easier said than done. So instead of focusing on your task, we unwittingly reach for the phone to check your social media. Focus buds are earbuds developed by Potential X. They help you control your mind and distract a bit less often. How exactly though? Special sensors installed in the earphones monitor brain activity when you're working. When you get distracted, the earbuds notice it and make a gentle sound. The manufacturer of Focus Buds states that the earbuds train the brain in a peculiar way. That is, they not only remind you to get back to work, over time they reduce distractions and take performance to a whole new level. In addition, Focus Buds have active noise reduction. They also analyze brain activity, suggesting the best time for rest and intensive work. You can buy them for a price starting at $270. Pivot. Photography and video are gradually becoming an integral part of everyone's life. You've probably seen lots of incredible pictures on Instagram and thought how they were taken. Well, it's very likely that some photographers have this amazing invention we want to show you. Pivot is a compact tripod to support your camera or smartphone. Typically, a tripod is used to secure a camera at the right height and in the proper position. However, Pivot does more than that and greatly enhances the possibilities of photo and video shooting. Perhaps its main feature is the sensor, which rotates the camera to follow the user. However, you can shoot not only people, but any moving objects. But that's not all. The manufacturer offers to download the official mobile application with 9 different modes for creative shooting. Paired with the tripod, the app allows you to create unusual photos and videos that will surely surprise your friends. The Versus mode enables the camera to alternately shoot 2 people. Many Me mode creates photos in which the same person is portrayed many times. Pano mode creates awesome high-quality panoramic shots. These and many other modes will be available at a price of $80. Portable tow truck. This simple gadget will help you in case your car is stuck in mud or snow. This problem arises when there's not enough traction between the wheel and the surface underneath it. The portable tow truck is a special ribbed mat. It's placed under the wheels and creates the right level of grip. The vehicle is then quickly and effortlessly pulled out from the trap. A set of 2 mats costs $55. Beard King. Men know that every shave is always followed by a cleanup. It's long, unpleasant, and sometimes you just don't have time for it. The solution to this problem is very simple. Introducing Beard King. This device is like an apron. Its 2 ends are wrapped around the neck. The other 2 are attached to the mirror with suction cups. This way, the hair that falls off during shaving stays inside the Beard King. All you have to do afterwards is empty the apron into the trash can. This product will only cost $15 or $25 depending on the chosen model. Poppies. The classic way of removing obsolete ceiling plaster is not convenient. The pieces of material either fall directly onto your head or are put into a bag, which becomes heavier with every second. Poppies is a much easier way to remove textured plaster. This nozzle has stiff prongs that effectively tear off the old surface. At the same time, it connects to a standard vacuum cleaner. This minimizes the amount of debris at the repair site. The waste is collected in the vacuum cleaner at the same time as it's separated from the ceiling. The difference between the traditional method of removing plaster and poppies is visible to the naked eye too. The device removes the material from the entire working surface from the very first movement. The price is $40. Auto slide. You've probably seen sliding doors in supermarkets that open automatically as you approach them. This is possible thanks to a motion sensor. But what if we told you that this is possible to install such a system in almost every home today? It can be much more useful than it seems at first glance. The system called Auto Slide is installed on sliding doors. After that, it reacts to movement or to a special sensor. The first mode is useful for people. You can pass through the door even with your hands full. The second is useful for pets. The sensor is mounted on a collar, and the door lets the pet out and into the house. The cost of Auto Slide is about $530. Step 180. Look at the furniture that we have in our homes and offices. Most of it's not designed for short people, especially when it comes to kitchens. Shelves, worktops, and sometimes sinks are all on a slightly uncomfortable level for some people. Step 180 is a patented invention of the American company Hideaway Solutions. It's a folding staircase. When folded, it takes up almost no space. The manufacturer suggests integrating Step 180 into kitchen units. The price of this invention varies from $595 to $679. The device has a weight limit of 90 kilograms and offers additional 40 centimeters of height.